Hey, Brian from GarageMahal. Today I have a SEEKONE heat gun. So I know I got the overhead. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. So it's a neat little kit. You have your, let's open this up. You got a couple different nozzle points. So that's good. Get your heat gun. You get your direction manual. This actually has quite a bit that's in there. And let's plug it in. I have a temperature gun here so we can actually see what kind of temps this thing is putting out. So I'll plug that in there. Alright, so that's the first setting. I'm sure it takes a quick second for it to heat up, but let's see what we have there. So it looks like that first setting is about 181 degrees. That's high. So it looks like that's got a max of about 200. So it's right in that like 300 to 400 range. So that's on 2. So again, right about 400 degrees. So I'm sure it's more concentrated as we have the, closer to whatever project you're working on. But it's got a nice comfortable grip. It's lightweight, so you can definitely use this for a long time. And other than that, that's my new heat gun, SEEKONE heat gun. All right, be safe out there.